Alright, we've just compared the new Arch ISO that's out with the data that they've given us, right? It's the Releng folder against our Arch ISO, our Carli 7 ISO on GitHub, which is now updated. Carli 7 updated 1 minute ago. So I'm continuing the video of the workflow in the next video. So previous to this one, we've made a comparison between Arch ISO version 45-1. Let's include it also in this video. You can download any Git, right? Right mouse click, open with Git ahead, install of course Git ahead, and it's super effective to really quickly see what changed. The red thing is what's gone and the green thing is what's there. And these are all new files. So ArcoLinux provides us with an Arch ISO that's one of the major releases. Lots of changes, even if you disregard everything that has to do with these characters that are extra. Let's give an example. So the characters I'm talking about is this character, right? This character here has been included, so different places. Like here, that's better, the green one, right? So okay, it's time to build it finally. Oh, let's see what it's what all these changes, what the effect is, right? Building is here, right? Build sh readme. What we need to do is sudo build sh to be able to build to install. Yes, I have it. Arch ISO is installed. So sudo build sh. That's all I need to remember. Open terminal. We are still working with Plasma. Let's see if we run into issues. All right. First of all, we get all these packages. We asked for both, so it's going to be telling us stuff. So reading these things can be instructive, as long as you don't mind the occasional error, because there are things, well, they're always probably going to give an error, and just skip through it, right? So here we have already some systemd services that are enabled. So created means it's enabled. And optional dependencies. So you see these warnings, right? Warning. So never mind. If everything works fine, never mind. Install a lot of stuff. Here we see all the K stuff. So it means it's in that particular part of the system, of the build, where it's going to look at, hey, I'm going to install Cinnamon, or I'm going to install XFCE. So it's the bottom part of the packages list that is getting all the software. And I hope my internet connection is okay regarding to speed. Well, it's already in. So 44.2 megabyte. That is what I have paid for. But this is awesome. Can't be right. Anyway, you have to wait. Oh, right on the spot, 1,000 packages. How did I do that? Sheer luck. That's what it is, sheer luck. And now it's installing all the packages, and every developer sends, sometimes, not always, sends some messages across optional dependencies. You can install this. Use an optional dependency of NeoFetch, right? Ooh, stay here. Cat image display images, Shafa, Fe, image magic. So you either install it or not. It's optional. So it's interesting to learn these things. These things, we use them in our educational videos. Xorg, Xprop. Xprop is for tiling window managers to know, hey, what's the name of this window, so I can make it floating, for example. It's filled with lots of interesting things. I can talk and talk and talk, but it just needs to build. That's all it needs to do. Build, come on. So all these warnings, just be cool and wait. An error here. Be cool and wait. Trust the guys of ArcoLinux. It's taking a while. I'm not gonna put it on pause so we actually see the whole build. I'll scroll a bit up to have a look. Lots of K stuff. K means KDE, but I'd rather speak of Plasma because I do feel it is changed. I mean, I am thinking about 20 years ago with Susan and all that. So yeah, that has changed a lot. So if you were really, and I'll say that in English, aversive, not really interested in Plasma, well, do try again. Put it on a system, right? Not an old computer of 8 years. Put it on a system. 16 gigabytes. A system. It's not a good system. This is just a medium system, right? You can Google it and see what it is. Strix to Z270H gaming, but it's a good CPU. Not the best. Middle class again. And SSD, of course. That's probably gonna be the most important thing. SSD, and of course 16 gigabytes of RAM. That helps. Helps any operating system. And we're building. Well, I can't say I've missed a lot of verbose things. I mean, it's the same look for us probably because we always use verbose and all these switches they have created, if and else, right? If, else, if. Well, phi actually. Doesn't affect us in the sense that I always want to see as much information as possible. If you do it without the minus v, you don't see anything. You can't read anything. You can't follow along. And it's a bit bitty. It's fun following along. And we're creating our ISO using 8 processors, which means Control Shift Escape. That there might be some lagging in the video. It's really going 100%. Well, 99. Excuse me. 100%. Another way to quickly see that is Super C. And the Super C, you know that. It's a conky. I rarely put a conky in it. It's spoils the look of my beautiful wallpaper. Super C. I use it when I need it. Would be nice if the machine would say 5 seconds till burning the ISO, 4 seconds until burning the ISO. But we'll have to wait. Who knows where we'll be 20, 30 years time. We'll just say, computer, build me the ISO. Still not pausing. Want you to show how long it takes. You can time it, you can see it on the YouTube video. No cutting of the video. So with this hardware, that's how long it will take. There we are. Right. 2.2 gigs is out, out. And I'm stopping this video and booting up with a VirtualBox. All right.